YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing a video that was given to me like an idea of some recipes to cook. Here I have a website Overgear of some recipes, and some of these actually look pretty good to me. Like beer basted boar ribs, this looks amazing to me. So does this. Oh my god, it looks so good. But yeah, I wanted to share this with you today. So I'll link this specific address in the video description, and if you click on one, like it gives you the list of ingredients and all of that. It looks very good. It gives you all the steps and everything. I mean, look at that. That looks so good. I'm not a vegetarian, obviously. But that's okay if you are. There's others. The cherry pie looks pretty good too. So yeah, this is a good video idea that I was given. Like I said, I will link to this website in the description below so you can visit it. There's more than just this. I think if I click classic, this is just, never mind. This is not recipes. So I'll just link this link in the description. I keep saying link a lot. It's not like I'm playing Zelda or whatever. This looks good. Maybe for like a early morning recipe, I don't know. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Please rate, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.